DreamyTime. Bedtime stories for the kids.
On a peaceful beach, as the last sliver of the setting sun dipped below the horizon, casting long, soft shadows, a shy little turtle named Shelly was meticulously patting down a mound of wet sand. Beside her, with bursts of joyful squeals, a cheerful dolphin named Splash leaped and twirled, occasionally splashing water that glittered like scattered diamonds in the fading light. "Almost done," Shelly mumbled, carefully placing a tiny seashell on top of her sandcastle, which looked like a miniature fortress with seaweed flags. Splash, momentarily still, poked his sleek nose towards it. "Wow, Shelly, it looks like a royal palace. Who do you think would live there?" Shelly, gazing at the twinkling stars beginning to pepper the darkening sky, sighed dreamily. Maybe it's a king and queen who love to travel. They'd have a map made of mother of pearl and a ship with sails as white as clouds. Splash's eyes widened. Ooh, and where would they travel to? To faraway coral gardens that shimmer with all the colors of the rainbow, Shelly exclaimed, her voice filled with wonder. They'd swim through tunnels of blooming anemones and meet wise old octopuses who tell stories of the deep. Splash leaped again, imagining the scene. And I bet they'd have a grand feast with glowing jellyfish as lanterns and singing clams as entertainment. Shelly giggled, then pointed towards the dark ocean. And after their underwater adventures, maybe they'd fly to a jungle island where fireflies dance like tiny stars among giant sweet-smelling flowers. Yes, Splash chimed in, and they'd swing on vines with playful monkeys and listen to the songs of exotic birds with feathers like jewels. As the moon climbed higher, painting a silvery path across the water, Shelly and Splash continued to build more sandcastles, each one representing a different stop on their imaginary dream vacation. They imagined visiting snowy mountaintops, where they'd slide down icy slopes on giant clamshells, and vast grassy plains where they'd race with swift, friendly ostriches. With every story, their laughter echoed softly in the night air, weaving dreams as beautiful and boundless as the starlit sky above. Even though their castles were made of sand, and their voyages were only in their minds, the joy of sharing their dreams made them feel like they had truly traveled the world together, their friendship a strong and comforting anchor in their wonderful midnight adventures.
Thank you for watching our channel. Like, comment, and subscribe. DreamyTime.